Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while updating or downloading any game onto the Steam. You are getting update failed error with disk write error. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the first step, click on the Steam icon and go to the settings. From the left pane, click on download tab. Right over here, you will find the option of clear download cache. Here click on clear cache. Now hit the confirm button. This will clear the cache and then it will restart your Steam. Once your system restarts, go ahead and try to update the game again and hopefully the issue will be fixed. Although, if this failed to work out, in next step, you need to open the directory of the game. For example, in my system, all my Steam games are installed in F drive, Steam library, Steam apps, and here is a common folder. In this common folder, all the games are available. So whatever the game is giving you the error, right click on that game folder and go to the properties. Now over here, you will find the option of read only. Simply uncheck this particular option. After unchecking, hit the apply option, then hit the OK button. Now again hit the OK button. That's all you have to do. After doing so, again launch the Steam, go to library and then try to update the game, and hopefully this will completely fix out the issue of update failed, disk write error. Now if this also failed, in next step, launch the Steam, go to library, right click on your game, click on manage and choose browse local files. Now this is the game file folder. First of all, click on this common folder, right click on the game folder and choose the option copy. You need to copy this game folder into another drive. Once the game is copied to another drive, switch back to Steam, select the game, right click, choose the option manage and click on the option uninstall. Once the game is uninstalled, again open the game folder where you have just copied the files of your game. For example, if I have copied all the files onto my desktop, copy that folder from the desktop and again paste right in this folder, which is common folder. After pasting, go to Steam, right click on the game, click on properties, click on install files here and click on the option verify integrity of the game files. This will download the latest file for your game and in turns completely fix out the issue. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.